I'm Zach Fink, and I'm the Special Services Manager for American Cleaning Service. Our Special Services Department offers window cleaning, high dusting, and soft washing and pressure washing. Today we're on site at Idaho Outdoor Fieldhouse. We do a soft wash and pressure wash of the exterior of the buildings. Soft washing is essentially using the same equipment as pressure washing. It's all about applying a solution at a lower pressure, letting that solution dwell, clean off the debris and dirt on the side of the building, and then do a rinse and wash all of that away. Some areas require the higher pressure, what we call pressure washing, often with cobwebs really stuck on dirt. We can get that off with the pressure washing. And then we use a combination for window cleaning of water-fed pole, which is utilizing a purified water system. That's a deionized and reverse osmosis purified water that we utilize carbon fiber poles to apply water to the windows, scrub the dirt off, rinse, and even though it leaves water droplets on the window, on the glass itself, it actually dries with no residue, because the normal residue left by that you'll see on a window spots, dirt spots, is actually all the minerals that are left behind from water. And we're able to do buildings like that field house, which ranges from 2 to 3 stories, all the way up to 6 stories with our water-fed pole system. That, in conjunction with traditional mop and squeegee window cleaning, well, that's how we do the in and out window cleaning and soft washing, pressure washing on a project like that.